Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here we have an example of counting blanks in a range B5 to B13. The layout will be using something to count blanks. Well, I've explained to you previously the formula available to count blanks. Here is the structure, here's the data, here's the function, count blank, B5 to B13. We have this range. We're simply going to count whatever's blank. It says 2. If you want verification, find and select, go to special, go to blanks. Within the range, you can see there are 2 blanks, but that's just a simple function for counting blanks. Now, as always, I include in notes the formula text, practice this, and then move on to the other examples I'll be showing. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.